Hello and welcome to a new lesson. What is mass communication? Lecture-9, English for Media Students. Let's discuss about the topic. What is mass communication? In fact, it is the process of creating, sending, receiving, and analyzing messages to a large audience through various media channels. We have one more point in the direction. It encompasses, it includes, it comprises of, consists of all activities involved in conveying information, ideas, and entertainment to the public. Now, let's talk about key aspects of mass communication, fundamental aspects of mass communication, those properties, those elements without which mass communication cannot function. Mass communication cannot achieve its goal, cannot achieve its objectives. What are they? The first one is content creation. The second one is media channels. Third one is audience. Fourth one is feedback. And fifth one is influence. Now let's discuss each one of those aspects in detail a bit. So the first one is content creation. When we say content creation, that is to say creating content, providing information, the material, the matter which is used in mass communication. And mass communication helps us in producing news. Not only news, but also articles, advertisements, entertainment, and other types of content in order to provide information to a large number of people, to a big audience. Content creation is one of the fundamental aspects of mass communication. Your ideas are more important. What you are conveying, what you are sharing, what you are delivering, this matters a lot. Now, we have the second point, that is media channels. Mass communication cannot proceed without the help of channels, without the help of agencies, without the help of tools. And what are they? The first one which media channels include is television, radio, newspapers, magazines, internet, and so many other types of social networks. It is through which mass communication interacts with a large number of audience. Now we have another fundamental aspect in mass communication, that is point number 3, audience. Audience is very valuable. People are very important components of the aspects of mass communication. Whom do we create content for? For audience, for people, for public. So mass communication tries in reaching a large and diverse group of people, often spread across different geographical locations. This is the beauty of mass communication, that it can reach at the same time a large number of people and across different locations, wherever they are. Now, the fourth point in the direction is feedback. Feedback is very important. What you deliver to the people, you need to know in what way this message has been received by the people. So, mass communication also helps us in collecting and analyzing audience response to improve future communication efforts, to reorganize yourself as a communicator in the most effective fashion to the people. And then we have the fifth aspect of mass communication, influence. Because mass communication helps us in shaping public opinion, cultural norms, and societal trends through the dissemination of information. Mass communication has great impact upon the psyche of the public. It influences a lot. It changes the public opinion. It moves the community. It asks for actions. And it brings about a lot of changes in the way people think and behave in so many other different ways. So influence is another important aspect of mass communication. Now let's conclusion. Mass communication plays a crucial role in informing, educating, and entertaining the public, as well as influencing public opinion and societal changes. So in brief, we can say at the end that mass communication not only informs but also educates people, enlightens people, entertains people, and influences people in so many different ways. That is why in modern time mass communication plays an important role in generating opinions. In my next lesson I will talk about difference between mass communication and mass media. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.